In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Face ID for the USPS Delivery app on your iPhone. First, open the USPS Delivery app right here. Now, you are going to see the option that says Have an account. If you do not have an account, you would have to create one first. Over here, you might see the Face ID option. If you tap on it right now, you will probably get an error message. It says, "For your security, please sign in using your username and password to enable Face ID." That is normal, okay. But I already have an account, so I'm going to go ahead and tap on Have an account. So what you are going to want to do is sign in first. I'm tapping on Fill Password to autofill. Face ID scans my face and, oh great, my username and password are already filled in. Now I'm going to tap on the Enter key, the right side arrow key, and wait a bit. Once the home screen shows up, you can go ahead and tap on the More button. From here, look for and tap on Sign In Preferences. Now, you will see the option to enable Face ID. Go ahead and turn the toggle on. A screen pops up asking, "Would you like to sign in faster using Face ID?" You would like that, right? So turn on the toggle next to Face ID and tap on Continue. Face ID is now enabled for the USPS app. Check this out. I'm going to force close the USPS app and open it again. Now you see two options. Tap on Sign In with Face ID. Your iPhone scans your face and, boom, you are in. You can now access your USPS mail and packages easily and in a smart way. I hope this breakdown helps you out. Anyways, if you have any other questions, ask in the comments. Thanks for watching.